Hey there, welcome to a new video. In this video we talk about Resonator, and Resonator is a pretty interesting effect. It has a few resonators, exactly it has 5 of them, and let's see how it works. For this tutorial I have operator playing a simple sine. So and the spectrum, so we can see what it does. So this is the sine wave. Now let's use the resonator. We can see we are modulating the first resonator. We can hear the tone. If we turn up the color, we adjust the brightness of the resonator. We can see all the notes. So this is the first note, and then we move by semitones. Now let's add +7. Just adds harmonics. Then we have the width and this frequency filter. You can see that this frequency has been filtered. We have all these types of filters. You can even turn it off. And we can also turn up the gain of all these voices together. Then we have the modes. Oops. So as written here, the mode A provides a more realistic sound resonation, while mode B offers an effect that is especially interesting when resonator first note parameter is set to lower pitches. So we can also keep the decay time constant regardless of the actual pitch. So this is it. We can explore the presets. Let's see how Prague sounds. Let's see how Rome. Okay, Rome is pretty interesting. Tokyo. Okay. So I don't really use this effect at all, but I can tell that this effect is pretty interesting on plugs and on strings, because it has the same behavior and a similar timbre, similar sound, so we can add some more harmonics with this effect. So this is it. Let's see you in the next video.